Welcome. Today we will guide you on how to delete call history on Telegram with the latest updates. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, open Telegram on your Android phone. Locate the Telegram app on your device's home screen or in the app drawer, and tap on it to open the app. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the main menu of Telegram. From the menu, tap on Calls to access your call history within the app. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up additional options for managing your call history. Select Delete All Calls from the options that appear. A confirmation message will pop up asking you to confirm your decision to delete all call history entries. Confirm your steps by tapping on the confirmation prompt. This will delete all call history entries from your Telegram app. By following these steps, you can easily manage and delete your call history on Telegram using your Android phone. Keep your call log organized and maintain your privacy within the app. With the updated features, managing call history on Telegram has been made simpler and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and enjoy keeping your call history clean and organized on Telegram.